Hello and welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel. My name is Ellen and welcome to Vlogmas 2025 Day 6. Today is December 6th and here we are with another episode, Vlogmas, fun, Advent opening, a little bit of blabber. So if you enjoy that, stick around. Today's video, yesterday, Pantone, which is actually in my home state, announced the color of the year for 2026, Cloud Dancer. So I thought I would be representative of Cloud Dancer. So, you know, when I think of color, I don't think of white, cream, cloud as being colorful. Yes, white is considered a color, an additive color, or something to that effect. But I just thought it was kind of crazy. And I'm so thankful that all of my Advent is full of wonderful color. So what have I been working on? We will also get back to the color. I've made another one of my, of these Sophie scarves because I found that I really enjoy wearing them. Generally when I go out, you know, if you're a driver, you don't want to wear a big, heavy, bulky coat with the seatbelt and the whole thing. So I usually wear it's considered a barn coat, barn jacket. And this is just perfect to cover my neck. And I'm just love it. I could work one of these up in less than a day. So this here one is with arcane fibers. I don't have the ball band anymore, but I think it was something about Velvet Queen or something to that effect. Okay, it's superwash merino. I believe it was a DK. And I got a lot of these when I was getting the Arcane Fiberworks mystery hanks every month. They no longer offer them. Well, at least to those of us in the US. So let's get back to Pantone's color of the year for 2026. When I saw that color, I had to laugh. A friend at work, she considers herself Beige Mom. Her kids call her Beige Mom because everything, supposedly it's something on TikTok now, Beige Mom or hashtag sad Beige Mom, because she's very neutral in what she wears and her decor and so on. So I said to her, I'm gonna make you one of these and I'm gonna make it in honor of you being Beige Mom. So I did. I worked her up a Sophie scarf and Beige Mom. Actually, this is Madeline Tosh DK and the color is Antler. So yeah, I don't know if you're aware. I'm not on TikTok, but she said there is hashtag Beige Mom, hashtag sad beige, something to that effect. And how ironic that the color of the year is Cloud Dancer, which is, I don't know, Beige Mom to me. Well, anyhow, that's my silliness for today. Let's get to Advent, Day 6. So Day 6 for me, I have Aberdeen wools and I have Bag O' Day Advents. So I'm gonna open up my Aberdeen first. Oh, I see there is more of this beautiful fade. Okay, and this here hank, this is Day 5 for the Aberdeen because that Advent is a day behind. It has the turquoise and the purples and the fuchsias, the lilacs. It's a combination actually of all of the others. So I'm keeping them in order. Okay, I see a beautiful, beautiful fade here. Lovely. So this is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. Kind of brings back the turquoise kind of, maybe this is more of maybe a denim, but they're beautiful. And they are certainly in my color wheel because I love all of the purples. Yeah, so that's my Aberdeen wools, 5 days so far. 7 more to go. Okay, so let's get to Bago Day. So I posted a picture earlier today, and I am saving these. I had opened up one of Bag of Day's colorways in the advent. I don't remember what day it was, and it was called Grandma's Couch. And I said my mother had that couch, so I posted it on my, what are they? It used to be community tab. I'm not sure what it's called now, but I'll put a picture here, and you can go and see. And that is actually a picture of my living room in the 70s. I want to say it was probably the late 70s, with the Sears advertisement also for that same living room, and it's hilarious. So this was my grandma's couch. So let's get to today's, and yeah, go check out that picture. It's hilarious. I can't wait till my daughter sees it. She's gonna crack up. So this is day 6, which is actually day 18 for my Bago Day Advent, and another lovely sticker. And let's get to it. I'm so excited. Can't wait to see what today's color is. Don't want to cut what's inside. So beautifully wrapped. Each and every one. Aha! Ooh! Oh wow! Look how beautiful. And this one is, oh wow, just beautiful. It's called Chocolate Fountain. I love that. Look at that beautiful caramels and milk chocolate and a little bit of dark chocolate. Is definitely a chocolate fountain. I love the names that Crystal has given to her yarns, her hand-dyed yarn. So this is Superwash Merino. It's a DK, it's 100%, 231 yards. It's a 3-weight, 100% Superwash Merino. Beautiful. Chocolate fountain. Just love that. And I have others that will go with this from Crystal, from her Etsy shop. I'm just loving each and every one of my yarns. Crystals and Aberdeen wool. This is my Aberdeen so far. And I have all of my Bago Day. Look how beautiful. Wow. I just love my Advent yarn. This is such a joy to open. I hope you're enjoying my opening and my silliness. And yeah, so Pantone's Color of the Year Cloud Dancer, also known as, I'm saying, BeigeMom. Well, I hope everyone is having, well, it's the weekend. Have a wonderful weekend, and let me know if you enjoyed my opening today. And I will see you tomorrow on day 7 Vlogmas. Have a great one. I'm off to hopefully finishing my holiday shopping. But yeah, it's a snowy day here. Snowy and cold. I don't like cold. Take care. See you on the next one. Bye now.